Mastering the art of sentence structure and word choice. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into an essential aspect of writing: improving sentence structure and word choice. Having good sentence structure and choosing the right words can truly transform your academic writing. Let's get started. Sentence structure forms the backbone of any written content. A well-structured sentence can convey ideas clearly, whereas a poorly structured one can confuse readers. 1. Clear communication. Good sentence structure ensures that your message is delivered without ambiguity. 2. Readability. A text with proper sentence structure is easier to read and understand. 3. Credibility. When your sentences are well structured, it reflects a level of expertise and knowledge in your writing. There are common pitfalls many face when forming sentences. Let's identify them and learn how to avoid them. 1. Run-on sentences. These are sentences that combine two independent clauses without proper punctuation. 2. Incorrect. I love studying English, it's a fascinating language. 3. Correct. I love studying English. It's a fascinating language. 4. Sentence fragments. These are incomplete sentences often missing a subject or verb. 5. Incorrect. Running through the park and 6. Correct. She was running through the park. 7. Misplaced modifiers. These can change the entire meaning of a sentence. 8. Incorrect. She almost drove her kids to school 5 days a week. 9. Correct. She drove her kids to school almost 5 days a week. Selecting the right word can enhance the clarity, tone, and overall quality of your writing. 1. Avoid jargon. Unless writing for a specific audience familiar with certain terms, avoid jargon. It can alienate readers. 2. Instead of, the patient exhibited symptoms of somnolence. 3. Use, the patient seemed very sleepy. 4. Choose active over passive. Active voice generally makes your writing clearer. 5. Passive, the book was read by him. 6. Active, he read the book. 7. Be precise. Avoid vague words and be as specific as possible. 8. Vague. Some people like to swim. 9. Precise. Many children in our neighborhood like to swim. 1. Thesaurus use. It's a great tool, but ensure you truly understand any new word you're planning to use. 2. Peer review. Having someone else read your work can provide insights into areas of unclear wording. 3. Read aloud. By reading your text out loud, you can often identify awkward or redundant wording. Improving sentence structure and word choice might seem challenging at first, but with practice and awareness, your writing can truly shine. Always remember that the goal is to communicate effectively. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you enhance your academic writing journey. Until next time, keep writing and refining.